Stop scrolling and look at this engineering madness. You are looking at an amphibious hover-yacht cruising down a coastal American highway in broad daylight. Wrapped in pure white pearl and carbon fiber, it drives like a supercar and floats like a mega-yacht. Stick around, because this dual-nature beast changes everything. When you reach the water, it doesn't stop, it transforms. With the push of a button, the wheels retract completely inside the hull. The machine glides off the ramp and converts instantly into a high-speed luxury yacht. It bridges the gap between land exploration and aquatic freedom. Floating on the water, this vessel commands total attention. Framed by a stunning green grass shoreline, its multi-level glass deck shines under the sun. It features a private rear swim platform and hydraulic stabilization systems. It is stability and luxury combined on the waves. Step inside the main cabin, and you enter a floating marine penthouse. Styled with waterproof white leather seating and polished teak wood accents. A 360-degree panoramic glass view ensures you never miss a sunset. It's an elite space built for pure relaxation on the water. Even miles away from land, you can enjoy gourmet meals. The compact marine kitchen features gimbal-mounted induction stoves, custom Korean countertops, and deep refrigeration drawers. Everything is engineered to stay balanced whether you are driving on a highway or riding ocean swells. Up in the command bridge, dual digital steering systems control both land and sea navigation. Holographic GPS charts and radar displays give you complete mastery over your journey. Whether plotting a highway route or charting a sea course, the controls adapt instantly. Move down to the lower deck, and you find a private master suite. A queen-sized floating bed surrounded by soft ambient lighting and waterproof acoustic panels. Wake up to the gentle rocking of the waves right outside your hull window. It redefines waterfront sleeping. Step outside onto the bow deck for open-air lounging. Equipped with modular sunbeds and pop-up waterproof audio speakers. Parked near a peaceful green grass bank, it serves as your private island retreat. Total freedom is just a steering wheel away. No other machine on Earth offers this kind of dual versatility, transitioning seamlessly from rugged terrain to liquid highways. It opens up destinations that standard RVs and traditional boats can never reach. The boundaries of adventure have officially vanished. The amphibious hover-yacht shatters every limitation of travel. Would you take this land and sea mansion on your next ultimate journey? Let us know in the comments below. And subscribe for more impossible engineering marvels.